Trust my leg. Ready? Racing just is started with Trust my leg. Break quickly restart. Total Defiance. Gifted Pal. Then next online is Smart Tony. Running by the release Kangaroo Court. Dalory inside is 1 in a billion. Then followed by Bibas Champion while Miko Nanga is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Trust my leg. Now takes command by Orling Anyham. Total Defiance in second. And in third comes Kangaroo Court. Moving up down on the inside is 1 in a billion. And on the outside comes Gifted Pal. Then next online is Smart Tony. Then followed by Bibas Champion while Miko Nanga is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Trust My Luck enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And here comes Kangaroo Court. Now trying to get closer in second. Total Defiance in third. The next online is Gifted Pal, Smart Tony, Bibas Champion now arriving at the Sinas. They swing to Rumba. Trust My Luck. Kangaroo Court is on the outside. Trust My Luck. Kangaroo Court is on the outside. But it's still Trust My Luck, followed by Kangaroo Court, and finally, Trust My Luck. Kangaroo Court, then comes Bibas Champion, Total Defiance.
All right. Number 4, Trust My Luck. Trust My Luck, Crossing the Warpers, ridden by JT Zarate. Then masisigundo yung numero 1 si Kangaroo Court. Panorin natin. Replay nitong race number 4.